welcome to the first video of Haylee's Hotspots. Today I'm going to be making butter slime that was under $4. So let's get started. Oh wait, if this is your first time seeing my face, hi, I'm Haylee and I have a session here called Haylee's Hotspots on CoolCityKidz. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified every single time we post a new video. This is a very easy slime recipe. What you'll be needing is some dough, I have the color green, some glue, and some detergent. Alright guys, first step to making slime is pouring in the glue into a bowl. Alright guys, all the glue is poured. Now we're going to add some detergent. Okay. We're going to add a little bit and watch the magic happen. It's already coming together. I'm going to do a little by little, not all at once, until it gets to a good consistency where we can start kneading it. And add a little bit more. It's getting less and less sticky. It's at a good consistency. It's still sticky, but now all I need to do is knead it. Alright guys, the slime is starting to come together. Got my hands a little messy, but you know it's done because you're able to play with it and it actually picks up the stuff that's on your hands. Alright guys, I'm gonna take out the dough and add this cool dough into the slime. I'm gonna do a little by little just to see the consistency that we want. I hope it's a cool green color. Okay, let's add some more. It's already starting to kind of come together. Guys, I finished my butter slime. Wow, I really like the color of this. It's really cool. It kind of is really springy, so I like that. And it is very nice and smooth and buttery. Guys, this cool butter slime only costed under $4. I just used some glue, some detergent, and yeah, and it was under $4. Such a cool little thing that you can play with. Hope you guys enjoyed me making this butter slime. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, comment down below any suggestions you'd like to see next on Haylee's Hotspots, and subscribe to CoolCityKidz so you can get really cool videos, and turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified every single time we post a really cool video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!